Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to book flight tickets on Skyscanner. Let's get started. Go to skyscanner.com. Click Login at the top right corner and sign into your account for a smoother booking experience. Click on the From field and enter your departure city or airport. Click on the To field and enter your destination city or airport. Open the calendar to select your departure and return dates. Depending on your plans, you can choose one-way or round trip. Click Travelers and Cabin Class to select the number of adults and children traveling and choose your preferred travel class. You can also add extra baggage if needed. Review the list of available flights and select the one that suits you best. Click on it, then hit Book Now to complete your booking on the airline or travel agency's website. And that's it! Using Skyscanner, booking a flight is simple and fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.